What's up, guys? It's KK Dior and I am back with another video. How are you guys? Don't mind my pimple. I show you guys all my makeup products because I'm bored and I'm just obsessed like with my whole makeup collection. So let's get into it. Comment and subscribe. I'm still on the road to 1,000 followers, so if you guys can like, share, comment, and subscribe, that would be great. The first thing I got is my makeup wipes. Or you're gonna end up like me, going to sleep with makeup on. Don't do that. So yeah, you want to get you some makeup wipes. It don't have to be the Neutrogena ones. Just get you some Equate ones from Walmart. I know we're supposed to be boycotting Walmart right now, but look, they ain't got nothing to do with me. I got the nighttime soothing makeup remover toilets. If you gonna wear makeup, make sure you have some makeup wipes, because if you don't, makeup is just gonna get stuck deep down in your pores and you're gonna get pimples like me. So you don't want to do that. Another thing I got is some eyelashes, but we ain't gonna talk about that because I don't even use them no more. Alright, so I have NK eye pencil in black, and I use this obviously under my eyes eyeliner. Yeah, I just love this look when I got right now I don't have no makeup on, but I love this look when I have eyelashes on. So tea when you got the eyelashes with the black eyeliner. Oh yeah, tea. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with the lip glosses that I got. So I got this Candy Baby lip gloss from Victoria's Secret. I really do not like this. I don't use it. It literally just sits in my closet. I don't use this. It'll be cute like this to add on top of like some lip gloss, but this by itself, not for me. Next thing I got is some Ruby Kisses lip oil, the intense one. So I love that. And next I got this lip gel from NK. Yeah, this is the color Bubblegum. And this eyeliner is also from NK. This is all gone because it really wasn't that good, so I kept having to use it. So this is the Super Lustrous Lip Gloss by Revlon. It was not good. That's why it's gone, because it's not good. I had to use it like back to back to back. These I got from Marshalls or something like that. It was really cute in the pack, so I was just like, ooh, I want that. So I got it. I really only use these. I really only use these two, this one and this one. I really only use it when I do lip liner, and then I do lip liner, and then I do this, and then I do lip gloss over it. Cute. And I also got this lip plumper gloss by e.l.f. So this wasn't that good either. That's why it's all gone. Basically all the lip stuff that I got and it's all gone, that means it wasn't good. Cause if I gotta use it all, it's not good. Like Dior lip gloss, not good. Cause you gotta keep reapplying it. So next I got some chapstick. It don't have a top on it, but it's I I think I got this from Giant or something. And then I got some Carmex. I'm missing two lip glosses. I have another one of these and it's cherry. And I have another lip plumper that's really good. I forgot what it's by, but it's so good. It's in my car. I know the lip plumper in my car, but I don't know about the cherry one. I gotta look for that. So the next thing I got is this right here. I'm about to show y'all. Hold on. So the next thing I got is this CoverGirl blush right here. This CoverGirl blush, and it's cute. It works just like blush. You just roll it on like this. Roll it on. Super cute. And I got the skin enhancer. Oh, all of these are called skin enhancers. But I got the contour balm. I really don't use this because it really don't show up on my skin. It's weird. And I got this one, the blush balm, but it's in the color peach or something like that. Yeah, radiant peach. So yeah, I got that. I usually just use this one most of the time, of course. I need to start using this one, but I don't know. Next thing I got is some more eyelashes, but these are my lash clusters. I'm not showing that. So the next thing I got is this thing, but this is for when I have my real eyelashes on. Cause I really don't use this when I got extensions on, cause they're already like curly, so I don't use it. But yeah, we got that. And we also have some e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This stuff is disgusting. Like, look at it. Look at it. Ew. You basically gotta mix it up. I don't never use this. That's probably why, but still. That's still disgusting. But I'm gonna keep it because it's just really cute. I'm not gonna throw away like makeup just because I don't wear it. Somebody might wear it. I might get a friend this complexion. I don't wear it because it's too light for me. Like, I think this is for a white girl, honestly. But I'm gonna keep it because you never know. I might get a friend that want me to do her makeup and she's that color. So I also got some L'Oreal Voluminous what is it called? Mascara. So this is a good mascara. I see this a lot. People always have this. Next thing I have is some makeup brushes, and they are really cute. Look at this. It literally has on here, it says brow spoolie, and it says angled brow, and it says brow spoolie. So you open it like this, and yeah, you just do what you gotta do. But the reason why I like these is because it has a top on it. So this is like if you want to do your eyebrows and conceal your eyebrows, that's what this for. And this is the triangle smudge. I don't know what this brush is usually used for, cause y'all, I'm new to this. Like, stop playing me. And this is Precious Definer. This is the Precious Definer. So I guess this is like beginner friendly because it tells you everything like that is for it. Even tell you the brush number 266. I don't know what that means, but this is the brush right here, and it's called a crease eraser. Yeah, so this is really good. I got this from CVS. It's really good. It tells you what it's for. Like, what? That's so cool. This is beginner friendly. And this will say conceal coverage. Concealer coverage. So if you want to blend out your concealer, there's the brush for that. It says conceal coverage. I don't know what that means, but yeah. And I also use a beauty blender. And I also have some e.l.f. I know this is no labeling on here, but I know it's e.l.f. So yeah, I got this e.l.f. little primer thing. I use this all the time. It makes my face super, I just hate the way it feels. It's super dry. And I got some LA Colors eyeshadows that I don't never wear, but I'm not throwing it away. Oh, I do have my other lip gloss, so it's not cherry, it's grape. So I got bubblegum and I got grape. So y'all, I don't play about lip gloss. Like, I need my lip gloss. Okay. I had more concealer, but I don't know what this concealer is. I was using it for a while, so it's actually good. You see, it's half empty. Like, yeah, I was using it for a while. It's good. It's no packaging. It says nothing, so I can't tell you what that is. And I got another brush. It's a EOS Echo brush. I really don't use this. It's old, but I'm not throwing it away. I also have some Pro Concealer, of course. Who can't go without their LA Girl Pro Concealer? This is the first concealer I ever had, and I was using this other one for a while that I don't have a name on it anymore, but then I started using this. I mean, I was using this first, then I don't know, I just forgot about it, or I just stopped buying it. I don't know what happened. I just forgot about it. But when I was in the store recently, I seen it, and I was like, ooh, let me get this. And because I used to only wear concealer only under my eyes, right? So, and I was wearing the color Fawn. So this is Fawn. I've been wearing Fawn for the longest. Like when I got it, I was like, wow, like this really takes me back to my childhood. Not my childhood, but like back. I got another Ugly Beauty blender. I got some, that's not makeup, I'm not showing it. And I got this for my eyelashes. If you buy if you buy eye clusters, most of the time you're gonna get this. If you buy eye clusters, eyelash clusters. I got this NiCad waterproof eyeliner. I got this in dark brown. See, but I don't use it. I usually use it on my eyebrows, but I stopped using it because they changed it. They changed how this tip was. At first, it wasn't this thick, y'all. I was so pissed. At first, this wasn't so thick, bro. That wasn't so thick. That shit crazy. And then they changed it. They made it thicker. I knew it because the way the thing is, if it even looked thicker. Like the packaging even looked thicker. Then when I opened it, The thing was actually thicker, so when I draw my eyebrows on, y'all, when I draw my eyebrows on, it's not that. So I had picked up this instead. L'Oreal. Some L'Oreal Matte Mechanical Eyeliner. And I got this in color, I don't know, but I love it. This is a little thick too, but it's not as thick as the other one. But what I do is I just try to take it at an angle and draw my eyebrows. Oh, y'all know what I'm about to get? I'm about to get some tint. You know, I'm about to get some hair dye. I'm about to hair dye my eyebrows this weekend, so I'm gonna make a video doing that. But yeah, that's how I usually fill my eyebrows in, y'all. I just outline how my eyebrows already look. That's all I do. And every time I close my makeup, my eyeliner, I always push it all the way down. Never put the top on like that. No. Make sure it's all the way down. Please. Save your makeup. Save your makeup. Save your makeup. So I got some lash remover. You're usually gonna get this when you get eye clusters, lash clusters. I got some HD powder. I knew y'all was like, where's her powder? She don't got no powder? Yes. I got HD powder. Y'all, this is the first powder I ever bought, but I need to get some brown powder. Because I seen this brown skin girl, she was using brown powder, like a brown powder. I was like, oh shit, maybe I need to get brown. But this is good too. Like, I did some nice makeup looks with this HD powder. Not all the time. All the time it don't come out right, but yeah, I done did some cute ass faces with that powder. So I got some eyeliner, some liquid eyeliner. You know, you gotta stay with the liquid eyeliner. Like, who don't got liquid eyeliner? You gotta keep that in your collection of makeup. You gotta keep the eyeliner. I got a little spoolie with the angled brush for eyebrows. I don't really use it, but I'm not throwing it away. I got some tweezers because I tweeze my eyebrows. I never get them waxed. I just tweeze the little hairs. That's, ooh, that hurts. Yeah, that hurts. Yeah, I just tweeze the little hairs. And I got this little eyeliner that I never use because it's not the right color. I tried it on my skin one time and was like, oh, hell no. Throw it away. That completes my makeup collection. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, thanks for watching. Get a thumbnail.